Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel RD10 GK for government jobs. Today's video is not about GK, it's about the vacancy which is uploaded by SSC. As you can see, the notice combined higher secondary 10 plus 2 level examination, dates for submission of online application 6/11/2020 to 15/12/2020. It means you have 1 month time. Last date and time for receipt of online application. So I'm not going in details, you can just see it. Vacancies will be determined in due course. Updated vacancy position will be uploaded on the website of the commission. So vacancies is not uploaded yet by SSC. Reservation, as you can see, reservation for the scheduled caste, SC, scheduled tribe, ST, other background classes, OBC, economically weaker section, EWS and ex-servicemen, and persons with disabilities, etc. Data entry and all these things, I am not going in details. So you can see here that nationality, a candidate must be either a citizen of India or a subject of Nepal or a subject of Bhutan or a Tibetan refugee who came over to India before the 1st January 1962 with the intention of permanently settling in India. So all these things you can see here. Age limit for the post is 18 to 27 years as on 1/1/2021. It means your age should be 18 to 27 according to 1/1/2021, January 2021. Candidates born not before 2/1/1994, not later than 1/1/2003 are eligible to apply. So you can just go, if you go in details, so you can see all these things. SC ST category 5 years age relaxation, OBC 3 years, and PWD unreserved 10 years, and PWD OBC 13 years, and PWD SC ST 15 years. Ex-servicemen, it means ESM, 3 years deduction of the military service rendered from the actual age as on closing date of receipt of online application. So all these things you can see. Explanation, compulsory, essential qualification, you can see here that educational qualification which is need for LDA, and these all these are posts. Candidates must have passed 12th standard of equivalent examination from a recognized board or university. So you have to be passed 12th standard. How to apply, you can see here. Application must be submitted is in only online mode at the official website of SSC headquarters. So you can visit there. Here you can see ssc.nic.in. Application fees 100, but those who are women candidates and candidates belonging the SC, ST and PWD, ESM eligible for reservation are exempted from payment of fee. So women can apply without fee. So I'm just pointing out here that at first I want to tell you that eastern region, for the eastern region exam seat, where your exam center for the eastern region, Andaman, Nicobar, Jharkhand Island, Orissa and Sikkim and West Bengal. So at first I just wanted to point out that Siliguri 4415 and Kolkata, Hooghly, Gangtok, Sambalpur, Rourkela, Cuttack, Bhubaneswar. Students, those who are from a central region, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, you can see your seat exam center, and Karnataka region and Madhya Pradesh region, these are the exam center. Southern region, western region, all these things are here. Language, the subject which will be there in your exam: English language, 50 marks, and general intelligence 50 marks, quantitative aptitude 50 marks, and general awareness 50 marks. It means almost 200 60 minutes time and 80 minutes for candidates eligible for scribe as per para 8.1 and 8.2. So these are the examination type. As you can see, the tier 1 examination will consist of objective type multiple choice questions only. The questions will be set both in English and Hindi for part 2 and part 3 and part 4. And these are the subjects, and which subjects will be there. English language, from English language you have to follow, these are the chapters. So I'm not going in details, you can just check. If you visit ssc.nic.in, so you can get these notices from SSC. So these are the documents you have to, these are the documents: Aadhaar card printout and e-Aadhaar, voters ID card, driving license, PAN card, passport. These are the documents you can see which is needed for this job. Those who are want to apply, so you can easily apply in this if you are 12th passed, then only 12th pass candidates only eligible for CHSL SSC CHSL exam. So guys, if it is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe to get more new notification and more GK. Do subscribe and like my channel. Thanks for watching.